Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of TechnologyGlance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can disable email notification of product announcement and updates on BandLab. So let's get started. Firstly, open BandLab app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on notifications. Then you can see the option of BandLab updates. Tap on it. After that, you can see the option of email. Turn off it by tapping on it. So this is how you can disable email notification of product announcement and updates on BandLab. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.